I'm Melissa Surat, and I'm from Surat itself, but present I'm from USA. Actually, I've studied an ISDG course from Vesu branch, Arihannt Diamond Institute. Also, my brother recommended me this institute because he has also studied from here. He has done full course from here. And my experience from here is like you get all the practical knowledge from here, and all the staffs and faculty is really amazing. They're very knowledgeable. They're also they have a really great patience level. They teach you every time. And also Arihant Institute provides you any sort of course, even if you want to choose a really small course or any detailed version of any diamond or gemstone, they really teach you only that part as well. So, and I myself selected only solitaires without valuation. That's what I studied, and it was really great experience getting out from here. I have a lot of knowledge now, so it's a big thanks to the staff, and I would really recommend to all my friends who are interested in diamond field or anybody who would like to go there. This is a really great place to get a knowledge from.